Welcome! Mr. Anger here to help you get through physical science. And I'm assuming at this point you're probably in 10th grade and you did biology last year. So 1109 to 1120 are the physical science pieces, and they lay a foundation for chemistry, which you'll do in 11th grade, and then physics, which you'll do in 12th grade. All right? And I have very good news. Over the past year, ACE has completely redone their physical science course. So the third edition, which they used from 1992 all the way to 2025, that was a long time, looked like this. Okay? So there was a separate pull-out reading part, kind of like a textbook, and actually you're going to do something like this in chemistry and physics. They haven't revised that yet. And then there was a workbook that you would go through, and this had just all of the problems to solve. And then when you would do the labs, they had a special lab report and videos to watch, and then you would fill in the report and score it. And then, of course, this is what the PACE test looked like. But now, the new 4th edition looks more like the other 4th edition PACEs that you are familiar with. And everything is included. So the reading part, full color, look at that, full color, and the text, problem solving, everything you got to do is in one booklet. In fact, the labs are in here, and they, that's a good question. I think before I start the video for PACE 1109, I'm going to double check where the videos are located, because I think what we have in here is not correct. So we'll make sure that our website points you to the right place. And my favorite part is inside there is a very colorful periodic table. Compare that to this black and white and gray periodic table that we used to use in 3rd edition, but now in 4th edition. Look at that, beautiful. So I'm going to leave the videos that I created for 3rd edition, I'm going to leave them up, because there might be some students who are in schools who are still using those PACEs, or maybe your mom, if you're homeschooling, had already bought some PACEs and has them on hand for you, and that's fine. I looked at the outlines. The outline of the courses are basically the same. The tests are going to be different, so you can't go back and forth between them, but you'll still get a good foundation if you do the 3rd edition. It's just that the 4th edition is definitely a nicer step up. All right, so I'm going to leave my videos for 3rd edition online, and then we are going to start making some videos for the new 4th edition. We'll see you there.